Hi, Andy here from Blue Diamond Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing, and I'm just going to show you real quick the process we use in cleaning your solar panels. So we use a 4-stage filtration system. Right here we have 6 panels here, we have 12 panels over there, and the filtration takes all the minerals out of the water. So there's no lime, calcium, any type of mineral deposits. The filtration takes it out and leaves you with a spot-free rinse on your panels. So just to give you an idea, you can see how dirty they are. Just get a nice scrub on them. And already you can see the difference in how it was. You can see the other panels, how this one is now pretty clean. Get a little more scrub on it. And like I said, they're gonna dry spot free. If you'd like to have your solar panels cleaned or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or text at area code 951-615-7633, or you can email us at bluediamondwc@gmail.com. Thanks a lot.